Welcome to English Made Simple. Improve your spoken English by listening and practicing these questions and answers. Hey, where have you been?
I have been to Paris.
Do you like to watch cooking shows on TV?
Yes, I find cooking shows more fascinating than any other.
What's your favorite type of pizza toppings?
My favorite type of pizza topping is pepperoni.
Do you enjoy taking photographs of nature?
Yes, I like taking photographs of landscapes.
What's your favorite type of museum, like modern art or classical art?
I think I like modern art more.
How do you like to spend your free times when you're indoors?
I like to read books and watch movies during my free times.
Can you swim in the ocean?
Yes, I can swim in the ocean.
Have you ever been to a live theater performance?
Yes, I have been to live theater performance of Romeo and Juliet.
What's your favorite type of fruit juice?
My favorite fruit juice is orange juice.
Do you have any favorite quotes from movies?
Yes, one of my favorites is, "Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn."
Can you tell me about your favorite childhood toy?
My favorite childhood toy was a stuffed doll named Hans.
Have you ever volunteered for a charity or community project?
Yes, I volunteered at an orphanage.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I love cappuccinos with extra foam.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like dancing to hip-hop music.
Do you have any favorite board game?
Yes, my favorite board game is Monopoly.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I brush my teeth.
When did you learn to ride a bike?
I learned to ride a bike when I was 7 years old.
Can you speak any other language besides English?
Yes, I can speak Spanish.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dolphin.
How do you like to spend your summers?
I like to spend my summers at a beach.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like to listen to heavy metal.
Where would you like to go on your dream vacation?
I would love to visit the Maldives for my dream vacation.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't ride, but I am learning to ride a skateboard.
Have you ever seen a wild animals in your neighborhood?
Yes, I once saw a raccoon in my neighborhood.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is grapes.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
On my birthday, I went to restaurant with friends.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
What are you doing right now?
Right now, I am answering your questions.
Thanks for watching.